You ready to eat? Are you hungry? Okay. Alright, hang on. Let me get everything situated here. I gotta get this flashlight to stand up. Look at you making little air biscuits. Why did you move everything? Can I pet you? Come here. You going back in there? Okay. I'm gonna have to rebuild your house. Look at the mess.